shembot. Hindi kayo nagsishembot. Walang music, shembot lang. Shembot. Paano ba yung shembot? Ganon. Shembot daw. Sabi ni Ate Anas. Shembot. Naku, nawala na. Shembot. Ayun. Pero ngayon, gusto ni Ate Anas, para malaman natin kung magaling talaga kayo sumayaw, mag-play si Kuya Rady ng music at kailangan yung sumayaw, okay? 1, 2, 3!
Mr. 305 checking in for the
Go!
remix.
Dance!
You know that 75 Street Brazil. Well, this year's gonna be called Gaiocho. Yo, what up? Yo, what up, Omega? And this how we gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you.
Sayaw pa! Ayan, para malaman kung sino talaga yung marunong sumayaw dito sa San Isidro. O, sige pa, giling pa.
Ponte a jugar.
Ayan, okay na. Medyo nabali-bali na yung mga likod. Tsaka balakang ng mga bata.